In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut music in CapCut PC. If you need to shorten a background track or slice out a specific section of a song, this process is quick and precise, and it keeps your project tidy while you edit. Start by looking at the audio lane in your timeline. You'll see a thin vertical line that shows exactly where playback happens. This is your playhead. Move that playhead to the exact timestamp where you want to make your cut. Take a moment to line it up with the music's waveform peaks if you're aiming to cut on a beat or a transition. The more accurate your playhead placement, the cleaner your edit will feel. Next, click directly on the music track bar in the timeline so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when it's outlined with a white border. This step is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to split. If you have multiple audio clips in your timeline, making sure the right one is highlighted prevents accidental cuts on the wrong track. Now, look at the shortcut toolbar that sits right above your tracks. Find the split icon. It looks like a vertical line separating two small boxes. Click that icon to slice your music at the playhead. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+B to do the exact same thing. Either method gives you a precise cut at the playhead location, and it's a non-destructive edit, meaning your original file isn't harmed. At this point, your music track is split into two distinct pieces. Click once on the segment you don't want, maybe it's the extra lead-in or the leftover tail after your footage ends, to highlight it. With that unwanted section selected, press Delete on your keyboard. The clip disappears from your timeline, leaving just the parts of the song you actually need. If you change your mind or cut the wrong spot, simply undo and try again. That's it. With a well-placed playhead, a single split, and a quick delete, you can trim music to perfectly match your video's timing. This clean, instant approach keeps your edit organized and helps your audio feel intentional and polished without any fuss. You're all set. Done.